This is Fashion Sizzle, the makings of a dream.
I don't know. She's gonna have me walk out by myself. You know what? I can't handle it. I'm gonna have to walk. Yeah. No, I'm gonna go. Feel good, man. Feel good. The clothing came out right. Everything was a little hectic before, but everything came in line at the last minute, and it was good. It was great. So I'm really proud of my work. Yeah.
What's the key component in all the clothes that you make?
The key component is basically it's what people want to wear. I don't do things where people can't wear it out in the street and just look elegant, look classy, and just feel great about what they wear. You know what I'm saying? It's an expression of their own self-confidence. So that's the type of line I like to make, and you see that imbued in a lot of my pieces. I like to use a lot of natural fabrics, a lot of 100% cotton. I love real good fabric.